final scores. Let's give a great big clap. In fourth place, with 183 points, were the Yellows. Oh, we're here, we're back again. Excellent, technical. In third place, with 202 points, are the Blues. 202, and we were just having a quick recount because very, very close. Very, very closely in front of them. Just 4 points more on 206 were the Greens. Whoa! 220 are the Reds. Well done, Emma. Now, it's Emma's turn to give a speech. She's up front 500 people. Absolutely fantastic. So well done to the Reds, but again, well done to everybody. It's wonderful to have competition. Competitive sports extremely important. We need to learn to come and just do our best. It doesn't matter about what position, but everyone did fantastically well. But I'm sure you'll join with me in a huge, great cheer and clap for the Reds. Yay!